It's real. TikTok has now been banned in the USA. You cannot access the app anymore. You're going to get an error message just like this.
Take a look. This is the message that users are seeing when they open the app tonight. It says you can't use TikTok for now, but it also tells users that President-elect Donald Trump will work toward finding a solution.
Wow, this situation keeps getting crazier. So Donald Trump got into office today and he's lifted the ban on TikTok. Now that isn't victory, by the way, guys. I need to update you on this. And the rest of the video that you're going to watch from yesterday is still valid, by the way. Now TikTok made a statement last minute saying that the users in the US will slowly get a rollout of their accounts being unbanned thanks to Donald Trump. Now, from the research and due diligence that I've done, this doesn't guarantee that TikTok will be unbanned in the US forever. It just means that for the next week or a few weeks, they will be unbanned. Now, from the research I've done, there is still a chance. Now, although the headlines are saying TikTok is fine and it's been unbanned, technically that isn't a guarantee. So make sure you watch the rest of the video because a lot of the information is still super important to listen to. So what does this mean for dropshipping? It means you can't run TikTok ads to America, which is the biggest market. You can't do any TikTok organics in the USA. So yes, this has destroyed and killed those that were doing TikTok ads in the USA and those that were doing TikTok organic with dropshipping. Now, although this is scary and real, especially because a lot of people thought this was going to be fake and this wasn't going to happen, the good news is I've got some alternatives and some solutions for you. So Donald Trump comes into office this week and there's a plan that he's going to extend the trial by 90 days for TikTok, which means it gives the courts another 90 days to review whether or not TikTok should be banned. So it basically means that TikTok could potentially be unbanned in the next following days for 90 days. Now, I want to make this very clear. This isn't a guarantee that it won't get banned long term, but this is some positive insight for the short term. Now, it's not even just TikTok that's been banned. CapCut, which is the best free video editing software, has also been banned in the USA. Now, this is where things get interesting. A lot of people have moved away from TikTok to an app called Rednote, which is another Chinese app, but it's literally a copy and paste of TikTok.
Now, American users are flocking to a different Chinese social media platform, making it the most downloaded app in the US. It's called Rednote.
Hello, TikTok refugees from the US. Welcome to Rednote. 小红书.
Hi, TikTok refugee.
Now, I'm not saying that Rednote will be the next app that everyone uses, but from what I've seen, a lot of people are getting a lot of views and they are transitioning over from TikTok to Rednote. Now, if you guys want me to make a video about Rednote and the potential and how to use it, let me know in the comment section below. And if this video hits 2,000 likes, I will make it in the next 7 days. Now, this is my best advice to those that are doing dropshipping using TikTok ads to America and TikTok organic. I have been saying it for months now. Leave TikTok alone until everything settles down because you're going to be getting momentum, then it's going to be going down, then you're going to get momentum, then it's going to be going down. It's not worth the hassle. If you're doing organic marketing, move over to Instagram Reels. It's the safest option. Again, if you're doing TikTok ads, move over to Facebook ads, Instagram ads, move over to Google ads. Leave TikTok alone until everything settles down. We should get a full resolution within the next 90 days, maybe even earlier. So for now, guys, just move over to these other platforms because you're just going to keep making life harder for yourself if you try with TikTok. Now, of course, if your markets aren't the USA and you're primarily selling in the European countries, then you don't even need to worry about this. But what I will say is usually Europe does follow whatever America does. So they could potentially also ban TikTok in the next few weeks. Now, there is one big misconception that everyone is falling for, which is as soon as Donald Trump gets into power this week, it's all going to be fixed. It's not that simple, guys. He doesn't have that much power to quickly resolve this issue. He has to go through the system like everyone else, and it will take time. Don't look for an immediate result in terms of long term. That will definitely take a lot of time. So the best thing that you guys can do is keep up to date with everything by following this YouTube channel. I've been doing loads of updates on this topic in the last few months, and I'll always update you on the latest information, but just stay away from TikTok, move over to the other platforms and just go with those. And like I said before, Rednote is looking like the new TikTok, but it's still too early to say whether or not it will be. But if you guys, again, want to see me make a video on that, let me know in the comment section below and I'll definitely do that. Now, with that being said, guys, please let me know in the comment section below whether or not I've missed anything, any updates you guys have got, any questions you got related to this subject. But with that being said, that was my update on this situation. Let me know what you guys want to see about Rednote, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.